Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel Food to Food. So, today I'm going to make chicken fried rice with vegetables. Today, one more interesting thing is I'm not gonna cook indoor. I'm cooking fried rice in my balcony with very nice view. Let's start our cooking with our fried rice. To make fried rice, we need some chicken thighs, spring onion, and some vegetables here: beans, mushroom, carrots, capsicum, garlic, and some eggs as well. And I have some spices here: ginger and garlic paste, soya sauce, chili sauce, and black pepper powder, and oil and salt. We starting our cooking now. So I just put some oil here, and first I'm going to fry our chicken thighs. Now I'm going to add eggs, once your egg is ready, you can put your rice. Fry your rice very nicely. It takes few minutes. Now you can add ginger and garlic paste. Normally you can add before putting your rice, but I would like to add after the putting rice because it gives very nice taste and fresh taste. Now I'm going to add all my vegetables. Look at this beautiful combination of vegetables and rice. Mix a little bit green peas as well if you have. Like these are the optional. You can add more vegetables if you want, or you can less the vegetables if you don't like the vegetables. I'm going to add salt. You can add it for your taste. Black pepper powder, chili sauce. This is also optional one. If you would like to add, you can, otherwise you can skip it. Soya sauce, at the end I'm going to add spring onion. I would like to add this one at the end because it's gonna get the fresh flavor. If you put at the beginning, this gonna be smashed and all the water goes out, and this is not going to give you the actual flavor of the spring onion. So mix it well. You don't need to cook spring onion properly. This is uncooked is give actual flavor. Now we are ready to eat. Now it's almost ready to eat. And look at this beautiful color, which gives very nice combinations of all the vegetables, chickens, soya sauce, and rice, of course, that is also, and it's gonna give you the nice taste as well, and you can cook in a short period of time at home anytime. Our rice is ready to eat. I just served in my plate, and I have a little bit of sauce here. You can add the barbecue, a tomato, or any other sauce, but I would like to eat with little bit of chili sauce. And let's try it. It's really amazing. Just try at home and comment in my comment box and just tell me how is it. It was really good, guys, and I would like to thank you so much everyone who is watching my channel and subscribing my channel, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you. I'll see you again next video with very nice recipe. Thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you guys.